again apologize to you for the delay in the commencement of this rally. We sincerely did not intend to keep you waiting too long, but because of the various protocols and the courtesy visits, that led us to come in here late. In spite of that, I want to say that I am very, very pleased with the attendance and the crowd I have seen here in Enugu today. Whoever says there is no PDP in Enugu is not saying the truth. There is PDP in Enugu, and Enugu has been PDP from inception and is still PDP today and will continue to be PDP. When I came here a few months ago to attend a zonal conference of the Southeast, I said to the Southeasterners or to the Igbos, I am going to be the stepping stone to an Igbo presidency. And I mean it. And I mean it. Whether an Igbo man is from the Southeast or from the South-South, it is the same race. And today, my running mate is an Igbo man. It is a universal ethnic group. It is a universal race. So, my fellow brothers and sisters, the people of Enugu State, I want you to continue believing in the PDP, and I want you to continue supporting the PDP, because PDP is Enugu and Enugu is PDP. I want to let you know that this country is geared towards electing a PDP government. Do not be an exception and do not be a minority. The next government in this country is going to be formed by the PDP. And therefore, as you have always been, be in the mainstream of Nigerian politics, because that is the only way that can bring about the prosperity, the economic development, the peace and the security we are looking for in this part of the country and also in the country in general. So we want to thank you very much indeed for turning up in great numbers to witness this rally or to attend this rally, and we promise you Enugu State will continue to receive the required attention that it has always received. PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power!
Power to the people!
PDP!
How many of you will vote for PDP? Raise your hands.
Yes, so...
I can see you there, you are not raising your hands.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We want to use this opportunity to appreciate